What is the computational power of guessing? For decades, engineers have worked hard to make computations fully deterministic, and they have succeeded. In contemporary PCs, millions of transistors switch billions of times every single second. Reliability of order 10 to the 16. Conversely, various forms of non-determinism have turned out to yield elegant and efficient algorithms in theory, but their practical realizability is more than questionable. This, of course, amounts to the notorious P versus NP Millennium Prize problem and to the efficient generation of truly random bits. Quantum computers constitute a promising blend between both. My question asks for a rigorous mathematical and computer scientific comparison of the powers of first, deterministic, second, randomized, third, quantum, and fourth, non-deterministic computation. This is extremely ambitious. For over 50 years, the smartest people in the world have tried and failed to solve any of these questions. In fact, these questions about computer science are actually deeply rooted in mathematics, both their rigorous formalization and the expected solution. And the impact of this mathematics will be enormous. I'm not talking about superficial fame or money. Solving the P versus NP problem can confirm or destroy cryptography and online banking as we know it. Less obvious, randomized algorithms underlie so many programs or protocols, apparently working well in practice but without scientific justification due to the prevalence of pseudo-random number generators. And so far, only quantum computers have been demonstrated to produce truly random bits, but only that. Shor's and other popular quantum algorithms both remain out of reach in practice and without proven theoretical benefit. Returning to P versus NP, recent research has focused on mathematical theorems that prove certain proof techniques insufficient to solve the question. We thus follow Sherlock Holmes' advice. Once you eliminate the impossible, whatever remains, no matter how improbable, must be the truth. We have tried many of these approaches over the past years and obviously, like everyone else, have failed. Yet, until this very day, we keep coming up with and following exciting new approaches. Like any creative work, such as an artist, scientific progress requires inspiration, and inspiration cannot be forced, pushed, or accelerated. Much like Cupid's arrow of love, inspiration hits unexpectedly. It then grows, stalls, transforms, rises again. Every single idea I've had so far has somehow turned out to be useful. This is the principle of serendipity, which also underlies the discovery of penicillin, of Teflon coating, of the DNA helix, of RSA cryptography, and many more. The above questions thus are long hauls, incompatible with common administrative or funding regulations. A student thesis project, on the other hand, must be feasible and within a given time frame. As a responsible advisor, I deliberately have no student working on the above questions, or so they think. In fact, I do regularly hide certain aspects of these problems in students' projects, sometimes more visible, which makes them begin to wonder, but usually much less apparent. So anyone in my lab might actually be in for a surprise, since so far nobody has won the lottery. Thank you.